operated with one of their 30-year-old Boeing 757 aircraft. It's just taken 1 hour 32 minutes to make the flight from Geneva. Well, I mentioned a few times today, no apologies for mentioning it again, but we keep going on about how old these Boeing 757s are. We've seen the two oldest Boeing 757s at 35 years old take off this morning, both destined for the Canaries. But I did mention that Jet2 have a huge expansion plan. About 18 months ago, they put a huge order in with Airbus for around about 50 brand new Airbus 321neo aircraft. The first of those aircraft was delivered to Manchester on Thursday. It's currently sitting in the apron, or on the apron should I say, around the corner, out of sight. It has not yet entered commercial service, but will do so very shortly. The Airbus 321 will gradually replace the older Boeing 757s. Jet2 are always very good at giving ways. We'll see if the captain of this aircraft gives us one as well. Oh, and there we go, he's waving. Istanbul is also a very important route to Manchester. Pegasus, the low-cost operator, operate one daily flight. Turkish Airlines operate 3 flights a day. We've already seen the first Turkish Airlines flight. Here's the second. Taking just 3 hours 41 minutes to make the flight from Istanbul. It's operated by one of their 3-year-old Airbus 321 Series 200 Neos.